What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Got Jade right here. Say what's up, Jade.
What's up?
What are we doing, Jade? What are you doing right now?
I'm riding bikes.
You riding bikes?
With my friends.
So I'm actually waiting for my buddy Miguel to come. I think that's him pulling up right now. Hector would say that boy Cruz pulled up in the Dodge. This thing is really clean. For the right price, huh, Miguel? Everything's for sale. Got Miguel looking for a video. Miguel is about to get these welds back here. Jade, she just went inside real quick. I don't know what she went to go get. But Miguel's about to get these welds while he searches for this video. I'll get this unloaded real quick. Oh, first, let me see Miguel find this video.
Oh yeah?
Sounds different.
Sounds very different.
Me?
And so no, like itself now. Different tone and everything.
Even candies, man.
Yeah, even cameras too.
And they ain't as loud as it was
No,
the other
they're
day.
loud now. Like if you compare them with like right.
How many more do you got from? Miguel got a lot of old videos, or a lot of old pictures.
Pictures.
It even says the day, October 30th.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. The gas station one.
Mm-hmm. There's more. I guess different angles. Look at that one.
Damn.
That's the one I sent you. And then I got like I took separate ones, like was mine, and it's
Piano.
Yeah, and they like both of you.
Oh yeah, it looks better like that. Weld, ventura. Piano's gonna look nasty, huh? These ain't even the deep dish ones. The ones that are deep, the ones that are 11s, right? Yeah.
They're not 20 by all of them?
Nah, those are 9.5. 20 by 9.5.
Uh-huh.
This one's 20 by 9.5, and then the other two are 20 by 11. Yeah, so these are 20 by 11s right here.
Oh, dude, man, John. I might really have to drop it now.
Look at it. Check it out. That's the flashlight. See how the lip is?
Oh, dude, you made my day, dude. I was just thinking that was normal.
Nah, heck nah, man. Let me see how you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
He said the wheels gonna be on piano going to the new home. Tomorrow I'm gonna get a video of Miguel's truck if he comes through. I'll meet him up somewhere so you guys can see the fresh ceramic coat on the white lightning piano. Alright, Miguel, I know you gotta go home, get you some food. Appreciate it. Have a good one.
The following day.
Miguel was kind of busy today. I was kind of busy, so I got bored, man. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the race stars on and just ride around on them for a few weeks, possibly. Let's see how they look, man. It's been a while since I had them on. If you've been following, last time I had them on, I was getting some rubbing, so I never really got to rock the rears on these black race stars. But since then, I have got the JFab kit installed, so all 15s fit on there with no kind of clearance issues whatsoever. Let's get this thing out of here. Okay. You knew that was me? How'd you know that was me?
Because that's the only truck in the neighborhood that sounds like that.
It's got a unique sound.
Yeah.
Is it loud?
Yes. Very loud. I can hear you from all the way over there.
Dang. Like your shirt?
Thanks. Betty.
Betty. Let's get started, man. Let's take these wheels. Well, get these wheels down and swap them out for the 0304 chromies. Okay, it did take me a little longer than I expected to find not only the race star lugs, but a thin wall socket. I couldn't find the actual socket that comes with the race star lugs, but this one will work. Also, need to install these tanks whenever I get a chance. That is the JLP icebox with the windshield wiper fluid built in, and then the radiator tank over there. And this will be being installed in future vlogs. Bigger icebox for the bed mount tank. And if you guys are watching this and have a Whipple, you want to grab this from me. This is the JLP Power Flow inlet for 2.3, 2.9 Whipples. I don't know, man. I may end up just raffling it. I'll consider doing that. This thing's massive. I sold the actual Kenny Bell 168mm throttle body that goes with it, and the 5-inch intake too, but I still do have the inlet. So I don't know, leave me a comment down below. Let me know, guys, if I should raffle this thing off, man. It's just sitting here collecting dust. It does require notching the firewall, hence why I haven't installed that. I would prefer to get some track passes in first before we get into notching the firewall or any of that kind of stuff. Okay, front skinnies are on. Truck is dusty, hella dusty. Definitely needs that trip to motor and auto detailing. But yeah, these tires are a little low, so I will need to put some air in them here in a bit. I'm probably gonna wait till tomorrow, though, honestly, because the compressor is really loud. I'm gonna knock out these rears real quick, and I'll get right back to y'all. I'm not gonna video this. Try to hurry up now. It's getting kind of late, so yeah. Catch y'all once I get those swapped out. Huh. Okay, back wheels are on there. I'll get a better video for you guys tomorrow. It's about 10 o'clock at night, and don't feel like making too much noise. Put the wheels up there. This little rack is only rated at 300 pounds, so didn't put the other wheel up there. It's actually back here, bed of the wife's truck. And tomorrow, along with the video showing you guys how that looks, I'll hang up some of these signs that I need to hang up, but that's all I have for you guys tonight. See y'all tomorrow. Check out how she's sitting. Race started and back out a little bit. Pretty good, pretty good. Alright, I put my drinks in there. So you guys a better look of it. I don't know how good you'll be able to see because the sun is beaming right there, but these are the black race stars. It's actually my third set of race stars. I've had these a few years now. I had the dark stars, I had the polished ones, and now these are the black ones. They're not perfect, like they're not curved or anything, but they are starting to like peel on some spots, like pit. But I think they look really good for now until I end up powder coating. If you haven't seen the latest vlogs. Did put the wing on there, so be sure to check out the channel and see how that went, the install and exhaust. The truck is pretty dirty, man, so excuse me on that. That ceramic coat by Blake holds up decently. We still gotta get the hood and the wing ceramic coated, but that is how shit looks. Let me know though, y'all think I should rock these race stars for a little bit? Y'all feeling them? Think they look good? I mean, black on black looks pretty fire, man. Pretty stealthy, you know, like a real stealth look. But I like them. I think it looks pretty good, and obviously I put them on. Wanted to mention, I do have a couple of shirts, the Black Betty tees that I just came out with. So if you guys want to grab one, let me know ASAP. And down in the comments, you can reach me on Instagram at @TheRealJZ. It's in the description, or on Facebook, or @Block. You know, find me on there. Let me know what size you need, and I'll ship it out to you. So here goes the picture of that, how that looks. Also, be on the lookout for future videos. I'll show you guys how Miguel's ceramic coat came out and how his truck ends up looking with the welds that he picked up. And I was telling him that I don't even think I've ever seen a white liner with black welds, so that'll be pretty different. So stay tuned for that. That's all I have for this video. I appreciate you guys if you stayed and watched the whole video. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and please subscribe. It helps me continue putting out content and growing the channel. We are almost at 800 subs, so help me get to 800. And that's all I got, man. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.